Don't look for the needle in the haystack, just buy the haystack. This is a quote that perfectly summarizes Jack Bogle's investing philosophy and is subsequently the backbone of the Vanguard Group as it is today. A man with unbridled ambition for whom sky was the limit, who was a source of perseverance himself and the one who was highly dedicated into creating something that was never created before. The founder of Vanguard, Jack Bogle, used all his energy to create a vast financial empire the likes of which has never existed before. This video is dedicated to Jack Bogle's legacy and his contribution to creating the Vanguard Group, a corporation with over $8 trillion under management. Humble beginnings. Let us dig deeper and figure out Bogle's journey towards creating the vast financial empire. Trust me, this background information is vital to understanding Bogle's choices that led him to create Vanguard. Jack Bogle was an American investor and the founder of the Vanguard Group, one of the largest investment companies in the world. Bogle was born on May 8, 1929 in Montclair, New Jersey. He studied economics at Princeton University, where he earned his bachelor's degree in 1951. After graduation, he worked for Wellington Management Company, where he rose through the ranks to become the chairman and CEO. In 1974, Jack Bogle decided to start his own venture and founded the Vanguard Group, which became one of the largest investment companies in the world that manages more than $8 trillion in assets and has become one of the most respected names in the financial services industry. The company was unique as it was owned by its mutual fund shareholders, which allowed it to offer low-cost investment options. Bogle was a strong advocate for index funds, which track a broad market index rather than trying to beat the market. He believed that the majority of investors would be better off with a low-cost passive approach to investing, rather than paying high fees for active management. He has often been referred to as the father of index funds. Even Warren Buffett, the CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, has often praised Bogle's investment approach and has recommended that individual investors should follow his advice. The $8 trillion empire. Vanguard is structured as a mutual company, which means that it is owned by the funds it manages. This structure allows the company to operate on a cost-efficient basis and to pass those savings on to its investors in the form of lower fees. What is Vanguard known for, and why is it so famous? Vanguard is known for its low-cost index funds, which are designed to track the performance of a specific market index, such as the S&P 500. These funds have become increasingly popular with investors over the years, as they offer a low-cost way to gain exposure to the stock market. Let us tell you that Vanguard is not just limited to its index funds. In addition to it, Vanguard also offers actively managed mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and other investment products. The company's investment philosophy is based on the principles of diversification, long-term investing, and keeping costs low. Also, little side note, this is not an ad for Vanguard. In fact, this video is not sponsored at all. So by liking the video or leaving a comment is a great way of supporting small channels like mine. Back to the video. ETFs, index funds, and mutual funds is not where the company stops. Rather, Vanguard has also been a pioneer in the use of technology in the investment management industry. The company has developed a range of online tools and resources to help investors make informed investment decisions. These tools include portfolio analysis tools, retirement planning calculators, and investment calculators. Due to its 360-degree approach towards investing today, Vanguard's success has not gone unnoticed. The company has received numerous awards and accolades over the years, including recognition for its, again, low-cost funds, its commitment to investor education, and its overall excellence in the investment management industry. But as we all know, no company has reached heights without facing challenges. Same is the case with Vanguard as well. One of the biggest challenges faced by Vanguard and other investment management companies is the ongoing shift in investor preferences. Many investors are turning away from traditional actively managed mutual funds in favor of index funds and ETFs. This trend has put pressure on investment management companies to lower their fees and to offer more low-cost investment products. Despite these challenges, Vanguard keeps its sporty approach alive and continues to be one of the most successful and respected investment management companies in the world. The company's commitment to its investors and focus on low-cost index funds and its innovative use of technology have all helped it to maintain its position as a leader in the industry. As Vanguard continues to grow and evolve, it will undoubtedly face new challenges and opportunities. However, the company's commitment to its clients and its dedication to its core principles will continue to be the driving force behind its success. Literary works by Bogle. Now, talking about the thoughts and ideas that provoked John Bogle to build such a kickstart, such a vast financial empire and reach great heights, has been shared through different books written by him. He authored several books on investing, including Common Sense on Mutual Funds and The Little Book of Common Sense Investing. In these books, Bogle emphasized the importance of keeping investment costs low and avoiding market timing and speculation, as he believed that time is your friend, impulse is your enemy. Bogle was known for his straightforward and principled approach to investing. He believed that the financial industry had become too focused on short-term profits and that investors needed to take a long-term view. He also criticized the high fees charged by many mutual fund companies and advocated for greater transparency in the industry. Despite his criticism of the industry, Bogle was generally widely respected by his peers. A quote said by Bogle that every trader should live by is, "Investing should be more like watching paint dry or watching grass grow. If you want excitement, take $800 and go to Las Vegas." Through this, John Bogle is trying to emphasize on the importance of patience and long-term perspective when it comes to investing. Bogle believed that successful investing is not about trying to time the market or make big bets on individual stocks, but rather about making disciplined investments in low-cost index funds and holding them for the long term. This philosophy is a part of what he has ingrained in Vanguard's products. Bogle's message to investors through this quote is clear, that if you're looking for excitement, you're better off going to Las Vegas than trying to find it in the stock market. But if you want to build wealth over the long term, you need to adopt a more patient and disciplined approach to investing. In other words, investing should be a slow and steady process that is focused on long-term goals rather than short-term thrills.
I might even call it a boring money account, where you put money in the stock market index fund and balance it out a little bit with some bonds, depending on age and so on. And don't look at it. Don't look at it for 50 years. Don't peek.
Bogle's legacy is still alive. Bogle's legacy has had a profound impact on the investment industry. Bogle's approach on investing has also influenced a new generation of investors. He believed that individual investors could achieve success by sticking to a simple, low-cost investment strategy and avoiding the pitfalls of market timing and speculation. His books and speeches have inspired countless investors to take control of their financial futures and invest for the long term. Despite his success, Bogle remained humble and grounded through his life. He was known for his frugal lifestyle and his commitment to philanthropy. He donated millions of dollars to charity over the course of his life, and he encouraged other wealthy individuals to do the same. Bogle was a great investor and entrepreneur. He gave us precious knowledge for dealing with index funds and unfortunately passed away on January 16, 2019 at the age of 89. His legacy continues to live on as investors and entrepreneurs around the world continue to follow his advice. In conclusion, John Bogle was a pioneer in the investment industry. He believed that individual investors could achieve success by sticking to a simple, low-cost investment strategy and avoiding the pitfalls of market timing and speculation. His advocacy for index funds and low-cost investing has had a profound impact on the industry, and his speeches continue to inspire investors around the world even today. While he may no longer be with us, his legacy will continue to influence the investment industry for years to come.